And let's start the recipe by making the sauce with a tablespoon of miso, a heaping one. This is waka miso, but you can also use shiro miso. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of mirin, which is the cooking sake. 1 tablespoon of sake, drinking sake. 1 teaspoon of tonkatsu sauce, but you can also use oyster sauce. Half a teaspoon of rice vinegar, but you can use distilled white vinegar if you don't have it. 1 teaspoon of honey. And now you just have to mix everything very well until these lumps, dissolve. This is perfect, so let's set it aside. And here for our recipe, I'll use half an eggplant. It's medium-sized. Half a red bell pepper, half a yellow one, and half a green one. And a whole onion, medium size. Starting with the eggplant. And here you can also add any vegetables you think would go well. Usually any vegetable works well in this recipe, okay? Here, we're going to cut it in half. And we're only going to use half. And we're going to cut it like this. Lengthwise. More or less like this. Put everything here in this container. Just sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. Mix well. And let's leave it here to rest for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, finish cutting the rest of the vegetables. Half a bell pepper. Just remove this white part here. And with the bell pepper cleaned up, let's cut it like this, diagonally. It will look like this. And we'll do the same with all the other bell peppers. And now the green bell pepper. And now just cut the onion in half here. And now look, first cut it diagonally. Like this. And now the eggplant. Just fill it with water. Give it a good wash. And now remove the excess. Squeeze it well. As much as you can. Done. And now add half a tablespoon of cornstarch. Now just mix everything very well so that the cornstarch coats all the eggplants. Done. And here, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil, just enough to grease the bottom of the pan. It's just that eggplant, even if you add a lot of oil, it won't help because it's going to absorb a lot, right? I don't want that. That's why we coat the eggplant with starch as well. Done. And now let's put everything in here. Medium-low heat, don't use high heat, okay? When it gets to this point here, we can start flipping it. I've already browned it a bit. Now just keep flipping it. And the skin too. Don't forget the skin. Once it's well fried, just take it out. Let's set it aside. Done. Like this. Use a paper towel here to remove this excess starch. Done. Just a little bit of oil again. Done. Spread it. Now add all the onion. Done. Arrange it. Let's brown it a little. Medium heat. Just keep stirring. Done. And when it is lightly browned like this, done. We're going to add a tablespoon of water. Done. And a tablespoon of mirin. Here, just mix it. And now let's let it dry and brown nicely. And here the vegetables are cooked, but they're still quite firm. I'm going to turn off the heat. Add the eggplant. Mix it. Get all the sauce. Pour it on top. Just mix and serve. A super easy, delicious recipe that you can use as a side dish. Or even as a snack, right? Along with a beer. And leave in the comments which vegetables you'd like to include in this recipe. Big hug and see you next time for another recipe.